was the address again? It's I know. Yeah. Today it's the 6th of July 2022. We have Tammitie Kone, some strange way of translating because it is the LA, but it's like street in Finnish instead. It's not exactly the same, but it sounds better in Swedish as Ekolleen.
Yeah.
It should have been also Tammitie in Finnish. Strange. But this is 1957 Kone elevator, originally with MP4 fixtures, modernized by Kone with premium fixtures in early 2000. There's elevator turned 65, it's turning 65 years old this year in 2022, and it turned turned 20 years old in 2020 with 2 basement floors and 8 floors in total here.
Yeah.
December 7248, and it will be inspected this year in 2022. Capacity 3 version 2 grams, still without the doors, so it deserves 2 rides.
Yeah.
Also, the original metal plate is still there.
Yeah.
It's a bit slow for 8 floors.
Yeah, this building 20 and staircase B, the key didn't say it.
Why? I didn't press.
Yeah.
We started on the 2nd basement floor.
Yeah.
Very nice for a caterer.
Yeah.
Novel. It's, this is of course from the beginning of 2000.
Yeah.
Maybe they were going to modernize them in 1999, but it was delayed.
Yeah.
But this was better than late 2000 also, because late 2000 had the newer logo and it would only have the 7 segment indicator.
Yeah.
Delta maybe.
Yeah.
So it still deserves a second ride. Behind also look at the flow indicator.
Yeah.
This one is in Swedish and Finnish. And the interior is
Yeah. Iskut paikki vaan iskutään, meidän paikka on.
Yeah. luckily it didn't receive any unnecessary echoes.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry.
Test.